Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to add collaboration on an Instagram post even after you've already posted it. Whether you're on iOS or Android, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Start by opening your Instagram application and head to your profile. Once there, select the post to which you want to add collaboration. I'll choose this cool post as an example. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner and click on Edit. Instagram's editor will open, allowing you to make changes to your post. To add collaboration, click on the Add Paid Partnership label button at the top of your post. If you don't see this button, don't worry, I'll guide you on how to get it. Once you tap it, enable the toggle for Add Partnership Label. Additional options for adding collaborations will appear. If you still don't see the button, follow the next steps. Head back to your Instagram profile and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Open Settings and Privacy, then scroll down to Help. Click on Report a Problem and follow the prompts. If you don't see the Add Partnership Label button, click on Don't Include when reporting a problem. In the text box, kindly explain your issue, expressing that you don't want to delete and repost. Attach a screenshot if possible. Instagram support should get back to you within a day or two. And there you have it. That's how you can add collaborations on Instagram even after posting. If you found this video helpful, like this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.